Let's read the story. The Wolf in Sheep's Clothing. In a peaceful countryside nestled amid rolling hills and verdant meadows, there lived a cunning wolf. Despite his predatory nature, the wolf desired an easier way to capture his prey without causing alarm. One day, a brilliant idea struck him to disguise himself as a sheep and infiltrate the flock. Gathering wool from the meadows, the wolf fashioned himself a convincing sheepskin cloak. When he adorned himself with the fleece, he resembled a sheep so remarkably that no one could discern his true identity. Under the guise of a gentle and innocent sheep, the wolf ventured into the fields where the flock grazed, keeping his predatory instincts concealed beneath the disguise. The unsuspecting shepherd and his dogs failed to recognize the wolf amidst the flock, and the wolf, hidden in plain sight, awaited his opportunity to strike. Days passed, and the wolf cunningly ingratiated himself among the sheep, often grazing with them and joining their herd. He feigned docility, earning the trust of both the shepherd and his fellow sheep. As the shepherd's vigilance waned, the wolf saw an opportunity to satisfy his hunger. Under the cloak of his woolly disguise, he schemed to ambush and devour the unsuspecting sheep. One fateful day, the wolf's deceptive charade bore fruit. Under the guise of a sheep, he stealthily approached a grazing lamb, his predatory instincts awakening. With a swift and treacherous strike, he pounced upon the innocent lamb, revealing his true nature and shedding his sheepskin cloak. The shepherd, alerted by the commotion, witnessed the horrifying sight of the deceitful wolf preying upon the flock. Swiftly reacting to the danger, he summoned his loyal dogs to intervene. The vigilant dogs, trained to protect the sheep from all threats, leaped into action, barking furiously and driving the wolf away. The cunning wolf fled in fear, abandoning his disguise and exposing his true intentions. He realized that his deceitful masquerade had been unveiled, and the trust he had gained through deception had come crashing down. The shepherd, now aware of the deceit, remained vigilant and wary of the wolf's treachery. He reinforced the security measures to protect the flock, ensuring that no wolf could ever again infiltrate their midst. Meanwhile, the wolf, nursing his wounds and nursing his wounded pride, slunk away, defeated and humiliated. His attempt to deceive and betray had failed miserably, leaving him with the bitter taste of failure. The tale of the wolf in sheep's clothing spread throughout the countryside as a cautionary lesson. It warned against the dangers of trusting appearances, emphasizing the importance of discernment and vigilance against deceitful intentions. From that day forward, the shepherd and his dogs remained watchful, ensuring the safety of the flock. And the cunning wolf, forever branded by his failed deception, slunk away into the shadows, learning the hard lesson that true intentions cannot always be masked by false appearances. The end. Please subscribe to the Teddy Bear Storytime YouTube channel and select to receive all notification. Thank you.